Over 100 years of serving this country. Barbados like a power company. From Christchurch to St. Lucie. Barbados like a power company. You can count on us.
Hello there, I'm Cassandra Crawford. Welcome to this episode of Energy Talks. Today's show, we focus on putting a wrap on the hurricane season. It all started really with a major event on July 1st, Hurricane Beryl. And while the impact on Barbados was not as significant as other parts of the region, Barbados Light and Power was definitely there to send a team out to assist with restoration, particularly in Carriacou, Grenada, the mainland. So we caught up with our team at the airport before they left Barbados. We were there to welcome them home, and of course now I get a chance to hear from them on the experience of actually being on the ground for restoration in Carriacou.
Based on doing restoration in Barbados, I tell myself that it's basically going to be the same thing, one thing to be working with different guys.
You just gotta keep focused, help one another, stick together, and everything will work out good.
They're part of an effort to assist our colleagues in Grenada. It's part of the Carriacou relief program called the Carriacou Disaster Assistance Program. So we're really proud of our guys who have volunteered to assist. These are seasoned linesmen. Most of them have been involved in relief efforts in the past in other islands where they've needed help. And so, and they're led by a very experienced supervisor that has been on multiple relief missions before.
Grenada, Carriacou. The experience was a good experience for us, something that we've done a few times before. I led a team of 4 linemen, Donnie Joseph, Christopher Hoyt, Tremaine Skinner, who's not here, as well as Shamar Atkinson, and those fellows really performed admirably in Carriacou because, as you would appreciate, restoration conditions aren't the best. It's not designed to be a picnic, but you do the best that you can. You try to desensitize yourself to some extent about the conditions and the things that you see, and you're going there. Safety is number one, and you handle your business.
My experience based on Carriacou, you never know in terms of restoration what you're going to expect. But seeing that I faced a couple restorations already, every island has its own circumstances, has its own difficulties as well. Mentally, yes, I feel it prepared me mentally. That, not think, but I know it prepared me mentally. Seeing that we know what to expect, we know how people could react to different situations, and seeing that back home in Dominica, where we had the restoration and we had the hurricane and the Barbados Light and Power came and helped us, we opened our heart to them and we welcomed them and they helped us. And that was the same energy that we faced when we got in Carriacou, that everybody welcomed us and was happy to see us doing the work for them.
Having been on several missions before, and more serious one being Dominica, I thought it was prepared. I actually thought it was prepared. Seeing videos, media coverage was heavy, but when we actually landed on site, nothing could prepare us for the devastation that we saw. It was immense. It was taken back by what people had to actually endure. A majority of the people have to leave the island, you understand, and only a few could stay back. The utility workers, the Samaritans that came, the doctors, the medical teams. It was very scanty, but I mean, volunteer for a job, what job entails, you go ahead, you do what you have to do. For Shamar, it being his first time on a hurricane mission and the mission being so rough, I believe that it would have been tough for him, but to be honest, he pulled through. It was a rough 3 weeks. He was on task, and I believe he performed at a commendable level.
To my team, I thank them, and the Grenadian people especially thank them. It's, like I say, it's not the easiest job in the world. Thank you, my brother. And to Tremaine and Shamar, who I'm relaxing on vacation, many thanks. From myself, I think I can speak on behalf of the people in Grand Lake, as well as Barbados Light and Power.
Another amazing way we say we are here to serve you, whether it's here in Barbados or across the region through our partnership with Carriacou. We thank you for watching Energy Talks. We thank our teams, and we look forward to seeing you stay safe, and here's to greater and continued resilience. See you next time on Energy Talks.